How to convert local time string to UTC? How do I convert a datetime string in local time to a string in UTC time? I'm sure I've done this before, but can't find it, and so will hopefully help me, and others, do that in future. Clarification. For example, if I have September 17, 2008 14 column 02 column 00 in my local time zone, plus 10, I like to generate a string with the equivalent UTC time, September 17, 2008 04 column 02 column 00. Also, from this URL, note that in general this isn't possible, as with DST and other issues there is no unique conversion from local time to UTC time.
Thanks at Rofly. The full conversion from string to string is as follows. My summary of the time/calendar functions. Time.StirTime. String, tuple, no time zone applied, so matches string. Time.InTime. Local time tuple seconds since epoch, always local time. Time.InTime. Seconds since epoch, tuple in UTC. And calendar, timing, tuple in UTC seconds since epoch. Time.LocalTime. Seconds since epoch, tuple in local time zone.
First, parse the string into a naive datetime object. This is an instance of datetime.datetime with no attached time zone information. See its documentation. Use the PITES module, which comes with a full list of time zones plus UTC. Figure out what the local time zone is, construct a time zone object from it, and manipulate and attach it to the naive datetime. Finally, use datetime.sTimeZone method to convert the datetime to UTC. Source code, using local time zone America/Los_Angeles, for the string February 3, 2001 10:11 and 12 seconds. From there, you can use the stroftime method to format the UTC datetime as needed.
Note, as of 2020 you should not be using .utnow or .ut from timestamp 30. As you've presumably moved on to Python 3, you should be using timezone-aware datetime objects. For details see this URL. Original answer, from 2010. The datetime module's utnow function can be used to obtain the current UTC time. As the link mentioned above by Tom, this URL says, UTC is a time zone without daylight saving time and still a time zone without configuration changes in the past. Always measure and store time in UTC. If you need to record where the time was taken, store that separately. Do not store the local time plus time zone information. Note, if any of your data is in a region that uses DST, use PITES and take a look at John Milliken's answer. If you want to obtain the UTC time from a given string and you're lucky enough to be in a region in the world that either doesn't use DST, or you have data that is only offset from UTC without DST applied, using local time as the basis for the offset value. Or, from a known offset, using datetime.timerdelta. Update. Since Python 3.2 datetime.timezone is available, you can generate a time zone aware datetime object with the command below. If you're ready to take on time zone conversions, go read this. This URL.
Here's a summary of common Python time conversions. Some methods drop fractions of seconds, and are marked with S. An explicit formula such as TS equals D, epoch. Unit can be used instead, thanks JFS. Struct_time, UTC, POSIX, S, calendar.time and struct_time, naive datetime, local, POSIX, S, calendar.time and scz.localize dt, is _DSC equals none, .uctome tuple, exception during DSC transitions. See comment from JFS, naive datetime, UTC, POSIX, S, calendar.time mdt.uctome tuple, aware datetime POSIX, S, calendar.time mdt.uctome tuple. POSIX struct_time, UTC, S, time.time t, see comment from JFS, naive datetime, local, struct_time, UTC, S, scz.localize dt, is _DSC equals none, .uctome tuple, exception during DSC transitions. See comment from JFS, naive datetime, UTC, struct_time, UTC, S, dt.uctome tuple, aware datetime struct_time, UTC, S, dt.uctome tuple. POSIX naive datetime, local, datetime.fromTimestamp t, none, may fail in certain conditions. See comment from JFS below, struct_time, UTC, naive datetime, local, S, datetime.datetime struct_time column 6, sinfo equals UTC, .assignzone tz.replace sinfo equals none, can't represent leap seconds. See comment from JFS, naive datetime, UTC, naive datetime, local, dt.replace sinfo equals UTC.assignzone tz.replace sinfo equals none, or datetime naive datetime, local, dt.assignzone tz.replace sinfo equals none. POSIX naive datetime, UTC, datetime.fromTimestamp t, struct_time, UTC, naive datetime, UTC, S, datetime.datetime struct_time column 6, can't represent leap seconds. See comment from JFS, naive datetime, local, naive datetime, UTC, scz.localize dt, is _DSC equals none, .assignzone UTC.replace sinfo equals none, exception during DSC transitions. See comment from JFS, aware datetime naive datetime, UTC, dt.assignzone UTC.replace sinfo equals none. POSIX aware datetime, datetime.fromTimestamp t, tz, may fail for non-PIDES time zones, struct_time, UTC, aware datetime, S, datetime.datetime struct_time column 6, sinfo equals UTC, .assignzone tz, can't represent leap seconds. See comment from JFS, naive datetime, local, aware datetime, scz.localize dt, is _DSC equals none, exception during DSC transitions. See comment from JFS, naive datetime, UTC, aware datetime, dt.replace sinfo equals UTC. Source, taviburns.ca